Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about database. First, what is database? Database, also called electronic database, is any collection of data or information that is specially organized for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. The collected information could be in any numbers of formats. There are physical and electronic databases. A database could be as simple as an alphabetical arrangement of names in an address book or as complex as a database that provides information in a combination of formats. The example would be phone book and address book. Computers can perform calculations far faster than humans, and they use programmed logic to make decisions. However, computers are also capable of storing a large amount of information, and the amount of data computers can store continues to increase. Databases are at the forefront of making this information available to programs and to computers, and we use database everywhere in our life. For example, when you go to library and looking for a book through the online system, and also when you go travel, you use your phone to book the tickets and hotel. Most medium and large companies rely on databases for storing customers' information. They also use them to store accounting information. Researchers use databases as well. Some of the largest databases in the world store weather information. There are simply too many weather data points for humans to analyze, and finding signs of small but significant climate shifts. It would be impossible without databases. So databases is very important to our life. Database basic structures divided into three levels, and it reflects the observation of database in three different sites. The first level is physical data layer. It is the innermost level of the database. It is actually stored on a physical storage device data collection. This data is the raw data. It is for users to produce and change it. The second level is the concept of the data layer. It is the middle layer and it shows the whole logic of database. It points out the logic of each data definition and data logic relationship between. It is a collection of storage records. It's related to all of the objects of database and the logical relationship between them. Rather than their physical condition, it is under the concept of database administrator. The third level is user data layer. It is the database that user can see and use. It shows one or some specific users use the dataset, also called the set of logical record. And here I'm going to talk about some features of the database. First one, a database is easy to realize data sharing. Data sharing contains all users who can access the data in the database at the same time, including users also use a variety of ways through the interface using the database and provide data sharing. Second, database reduce data redundancy. Compared to the file system, since the database is good to realize the data sharing to avoid users set up individual applications. Database did a great job to reduce the repeating data, reduce the data redundancy, and protect the consistency of the data.